Hi all, in this video I want to show you what I do to start up my pool after it's been sitting all winter. After connecting the pool pump, which I covered in a separate video, I start with the chemicals. I don't like complicated, but I do like complete, so I call this my universal recipe. This covers everything and should work for about 90% of the pools out there, to go from green swamp to clean and safe. If you try it, I think you'll like it. I do this over 3 days to give the chemicals time to work before the next step, but if you need to compress the schedule, I get it. The kids gotta swim. Just give an hour between steps and make sure you stir the water as much as possible. Okay, here's the recipe. Take a screenshot or pause the video if you want to write this down. I'll put links to all the chemicals in the video description. This should apply to pools from about 4,000 to 10,000 gallons. Mine's 18 feet in diameter and contains 7,500 gallons. Keep your pump running the whole time. Day 1. Start with a sequestering agent. This will have names like mineral fighter or stain away. For hard water like mine, I add an entire 32-ounce bottle. If your water isn't as hard, then 16 ounces will do it. This stuff will prevent minerals like iron and copper from staining your pool. Next, add the Clarifier. I add the whole bottle, 32 ounces. This stuff clumps together all the tiny particles that are normally too small to get caught in the filter, so that they're glued together and large enough for your filter to catch them. It makes your cloudy water clear again. Now, vacuum your pool to get all the debris out. Then, run the filter at least all night. Day 2. Give the water a good shock. I add 3 bags of shock to the pool. That's 3 pounds. Toss the granules onto the surface of the water all the way around the pool. This instantly kills bacteria, viruses, and algae the normal chlorine levels may not fully eradicate. It also inactivates nascent algae before it can bloom. Hey, I just want to say thanks for watching this video. If you're getting any benefit from this, will you give it a thumbs up? And for more videos about taking care of this pool, consider subscribing. It helps me out a lot, and I hope it's not too much trouble. Thank you. It is much appreciated. At this point, we want to test the water with a pool test strip so we know if we need to adjust the pH. Quick note, if you don't have test strips or you find these kind of tests confusing, move on to the next step, it's probably fine. Wait at least 30 minutes after adding the pool shock, then hold the strip in the water about 1 to 2 feet deep for several seconds, then take it out. Don't shake it around a lot. Wait 15 seconds for the pads to soak, then compare it to the chart. I take a picture of it so I have more time to digest what I'm seeing. You want your total alkalinity to be between 80 and 120 parts per million. If you need to bring it up, add alkalinity up, which is basically just baking soda. Seriously, you can just use baking soda if you want to. If it's too high, add muriatic acid. If you add something, wait about a half an hour before testing again to see your pH. Add pH up or pH down accordingly to get your pH to the range of 7.2 to 7.8, which is nearly the same range as the human body. Alright, finally add some slow-release chlorine tablets into a floater and keep that filter running overnight again. You're done for day 2. Day 3. The water is getting a lot less green, but we're not done yet. Next, add algaecide. I add 1.5 quarts for the start of the season. Add this to various parts of the pool or directly to the jet. Lastly, add some stabilizer or CYA. I add 8 ounces directly to the inlet ports, but lots of people put this inside a sock and hang it by the inlet return ports. This stuff can eat away your liner, so you don't want it sitting in a clump at the bottom of the pool. The benefit of the CYA is that it protects your chlorine from degrading so fast in UV sunlight. Again, run the filter overnight. And that's about it. On day 4, you're ready to swim in the pool, and honestly, this is really good for the water. You don't want stagnant pool water, so the more you can stir it up, the better. For the rest of the summer, just keep the floater filled with chlorine tablets in the pool, and add a 1-pound bag of pool shock once a week. And lastly, this routine will work for about 90% of pools. If you finish this and for some reason your pool is still not clear, then don't be afraid to grab a water sample in a jar and take it to the nearest pool store. They'll run a battery of tests and give you a printout of the results. It can be a helpful option. Alright, I hope you found this helpful. That's the goal. For more videos about how to take care of your pool, subscribe to the channel. Until next time, all the best.